Hello, welcome to WMH Robotics, your leading source for low-cost, flexible and quick-to-deploy cobot solutions in the UK. Today, I want to introduce you to our new offering, URPalletising. Palletising is our most in-demand application. Therefore, we have developed the system further and now include our optional URSafe package, allowing our customers to spend less time deploying and more time manufacturing. Our users see many benefits when deploying their cobot palletisers. With a relatively small footprint, often only slightly wider than 2 pallets, this allows our system to be retrofitted to your existing factory layout. Short lead times of under 7 weeks, meaning you can scale quickly if required. Flexible deployments are possible, often with palletisers shared between lines or redeployed around a factory to suit your demand. Offline pallet creations and dedicated palletising software means you don't have to program every pallet, making the deployment and upskilling of staff simple and easy. And on a 3-shift basis, URPalletising can often pay for itself within 7 months. At WMH, we realize that reliability and cost of deployment are important. Therefore, we have created our system using only industry-leading, off-the-shelf components. This means you are only paying for the goods you purchase and training on your system, opening the door to automation for all. With intuitive software, reliable hardware and an industry-leading training package, you will be palletising in no time. Let's take a look at our palletizer in action. Here you will see our UR10E palletizer working on demand in a food factory. By simply securing a pickup sensor on the end of the conveyor, we had the palletizer up and running within a couple of hours. With automatic path planning, multi-pick, and even dual conveyor feeding, we can make the palletizer fit your existing demands. URPalletising now comes with the option of a safety package called URSafe. URSafe is an optional bundle which includes 3 area scanners, which in turn allows us to ship our palletizers fully assembled, carrying a UKCA mark. Users still have to risk assess their system in line with PUA regulations, but this is dramatically simplified. Simply site your palletizer, receive our on-site training, and you will be palletizing your first box in no time. To get your palletizer journey started with WMH Robotics, simply send us your product information including dimensions, weights, layouts, throughputs and conveyor situation. We will then run a full offline simulation to verify your application within an hour, where if successful you will receive an accurate quotation. If you want to get hands-on with our palletizer, we have a full system in our Midlands-based showroom. Simply bring your box and we'll have you programming your system within the hour. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to visit our website or contact our sales team to take your next steps.